Did you know you can lose weight and increase lean muscle mass in as little as 30 seconds? And the simple way to do this is with little movement snacks throughout the day. And what we mean by that is, it is all good and well to go to the gym for an hour in the morning, but realistically, you really want to be doing at least 30 to 45 minutes of resistance training a week. You also need to be doing 150 minutes of cardio per week, and that can become a little bit overwhelming. But the problem with that is, it still doesn't account for all the incidental movement that you do throughout the day. And so a lot of the problem that we find with people is they will go and do their gym in the morning or they do it at night, but they're sedentary and they sit around for most of the day otherwise. And this becomes an issue because the more regularly you can stimulate your muscle receptors that it needs energy to move you around, the more energy you're going to burn, or it's going to increase your basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of energy your body needs to move you around throughout a day. And the higher your basal metabolic rate, the more energy you are going to burn, and the more energy you burn, the leaner and the more muscly and the less weight you are going to carry around. And so the analogy that I like to think of with this is, we all know we're supposed to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. We do not wake up in the morning, scull 2 liters right before we have breakfast, and then go about our day and think we don't have to drink for the rest of the day. For starters, you would have to pee really badly after about an hour or by mid-morning, and by the end of the day, you're going to get pretty thirsty. And so the same is true with our movement. We don't want to just lump all our movement into the start of the day or at the end of the day. We actually want to be incorporating movement snacks in throughout the day. So something as simple as a minute 40 of walking every 30 minutes will get you to where you want to be. The other option, if you can't walk around, is every hour getting up and doing 30 air squats or 30 squats to a chair. So that is as simple as standing up and sitting down 30 times every hour. And if you can hit these targets of a minute 40 of walking every 30 minutes or 30 air squats every 60 minutes, you will start getting leaner as well as losing weight and increasing your lean muscle mass, which is what almost everyone wants to do. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe or like our channel. If you would like more information, please comment below and let us know what you would like to know, or if you need any more help with other things. We also have a heap of stuff on our website. If you would like more information like this, we'll put the link in our bio and down below. And then we will also have our top 3 lower back exercises if back pain is limiting you from getting up and doing any of these movements.